Hello ladies, today I have a product that I really love because it is not only practical and stylish but also at a great price. These are the Colorxy rain/snow boots because I've also worn them in the snow and they held up really great. These are the Chelsea style ankle boots. You can see there's also a little bit of an elastic on the sides here so that I can really stretch out the opening. If you wanted to wear these with some thick socks, which is what I did, I paired it with some merino wool socks when I went to the Midwest during the winter time. So this really was nice as a good winter boot. The traction on the bottom of these are really awesome. You can see here there's a nice little kind of herringbone style. I had no problems with getting good grip in the snow, slippery ice, any of that. Of course, you don't have to wear high-top socks if you don't want to. You can wear low ankle-cut socks too, and that works out just fine. Because the boot isn't really padded at the top, it might be a little bit uncomfortable for some, but it's not one of those really stiff boots that it becomes abrasive at the ankles, leaving marks or anything like that. These also have a really nice heel-to-toe transition, which is something I definitely look for in boots. In some boots, they just have really thick and non-flexible soles that it just becomes very uncomfortable to walk in. This is totally not the case for these boots, even at this price point at around $25 on Amazon. As usual, I'll put the link in the description. Inside the boot, there's actually a really nice cushiony insole as well, so it really cushions you at every step. The break-in period for these boots was also really short. The only thing I didn't quite like when I first got them was the really pervasive smell of plastic or rubber, whatever it is. So that smell obviously does go away with time, but it was just really strong that I had to kind of leave it outside for a little bit just so that the air could circulate over these. Just something to keep in mind so you guys aren't thrown off guard if you choose to buy these, but over time it definitely does go away. So really there's a whole lot to like about these boots. As usual, I'll put the link in the description so you guys can check it out. They do come in two other colors, this navy blue and a brown color, and they come in several sizes. And I do think that they run true to size for the most part, but because these are boots, you might want to buy a half size larger. But again, these are not only comfortable, stylish, and functional, but at a great price. So I definitely would jump on these.